listen up to my ambitions as a menace. Pay attention, no fucks given, cause God's my only credit. Been a minute since I really did my thing on you, so I'm not gonna stop until I bring the pain on you, nigga. Remember blue chips on the bill was kinda strange to a nigga. Now I'm jugging, want that blue chip to be stained on a nigga. Run up in that nigga house and leave some stains on his pictures. Chop the top up off that nigga like his bullets was clippers. I don't wanna be violent, but don't push me to that level. I be chillin', moving calm, but don't forget I keep that metal. Got that gold around my neck from working hard, that shit my metal. We gon' start off with this hit, then I'm gonna get the bezel. I'm a bad boy, ballin' like I'm Dennis. This is the beginning, nigga hatin', I ain't trippin'. I'm too busy on this mission, busy tryna get it. Nigga wanna diss my gangster, let me stop that shit explicit. Tryna stack my chick and keep a biscuit on the side, leave him dry. I don't fuck with niggas really, cause they really like to lie. I don't pay attention really, honestly, I just be fried. I'm the man, if I say some nigga, you better oblige it.